Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Hamza and I wanted to take a moment and talk about what I think is going to happen next week in the stock market. Now, obviously, a lot of you bought the dip just like I did Friday after the market started to recover. I personally held a cash position. So what I did is I bought when the market really dipped really low and then I sold towards the end of the day. Now, I personally held a cash position. A lot of my members, a lot of my viewers actually messaged me and said that they're going to hold their positions into the weekend. There is no right or wrong at this moment, but we do have some news that passed. It's very important news actually, and let me scroll down just for a second and show you guys what the news is. So as you all know or may not know, the Senate did pass the full $1.9 trillion relief bill. This is amazing news. They've been working on it hard all night for 24 hours before they passed this bill. So this is something that is going to create and move the market on Monday. So we're waiting for some good news, some more good news over the weekend, hopefully on this. And once we have that, I think that's going to move the market in a positive way. So I'm optimistic personally, but I did want to go over a few articles that I found. Obviously, this is all on CNBC, but I think these are important for us to look at to kind of determine where the market is going. And the first article that I'm going to start with is right at the bottom here, Cramer. Cramer's week ahead. So of course, as all of you know, Jim Cramer is a very vocal person and his voice is very listened to when it comes to even trending stocks and the market as a whole. Now, Jim Cramer has an opinion. This is his view. This is not my view. I'm actually optimistic, but his view is to build a cash position for the next sell-off. So he is actually expecting a sell-off or a series of sell-offs to come in the next couple of weeks and next couple of months. So this is something that you guys need to be aware of. Jim Cramer, like I said, plays a very big role when it comes to market trends and stock trends specifically. So we're going to be looking out for what he has to say. But of course, this is once again his opinion, not mine. I'm actually very optimistic. We've been waiting for the stimulus bill to pass, which it finally did. Hopefully now we're going to see those 10-year treasuries normalize. So this is something that I want you guys to be aware of. There are people who are holding cash positions, such as myself. Now, I am optimistic for this coming week, but you guys got to realize that I am down and I have been down for the past 2.5 weeks for all the investments that I've made, or most of them. I cashed out on everything that was green, held a cash position, was able to invest this Friday. Of course, I send all the members alerts on all the purchases and sales that I made, and I was able to exit successfully towards the end of Friday. So we did make a little bit of money there, but I am also sticking to a cash position. Now, of course, if the market rallies on Monday, we always have pre-market. We will be able to get in pre-market on Monday. So Monday is going to be a very important day to look out for, because if we do see a little more volume or the market's trending upwards over the weekend, it is definitely going to be a good time to get in on some of these ticker symbols pre-market. I'm looking at things like NEO, CCIV, PLTR, and a couple of SPACs that I'll be watching very closely because I do think that they are going to go up. So the way I look at it, this could go two ways. We could have a false bull run or a bull trap where the market goes up for one day and then continues to drop. Or the market may go down and we may recover towards mid next week as the House passes the stimulus bill. Because you got to realize that the stimulus bill has been passed, but Pelosi still needs to pass it completely. Now, the stimulus checks are going to be the first thing that go out, and the Democrats have said that they are going to go out faster than normal. So we may start seeing checks as early as not this week, but the next week to come. I quickly wanted to put this video out there for all of you so that you guys know where I stand. I am going to hold on to more cash, and if the market rallies, I am going to continue to build that cash. Now, for those of you who have been following me for a while, you guys do know that I'm ready to take some aggressive positions to get this portfolio to 200,000 fairly quickly. And that's going to happen either next week or the following week as we see more volume move into the market. That's it for me. I'll see you guys next video.